Um, Ever wondered who's behind the seamless and interactive experiences you enjoy on your favorite websites? The answer might surprise you. These digital maestros are called front-end developers. They're the creative brains behind the user-friendly interfaces and engaging web experiences that we often take for granted. From the sleek navigation on your favorite e-commerce site to the intuitive controls in your go-to social media app, these tech wizards have a hand in it all. Intrigued? Hold on tight because we're about to dive deeper into the world of a front-end developer. So what exactly does a front-end developer do? Well, think of them as the architects of your online experience. They design the house, choose the paint, and even decide where the furniture goes. In more technical terms, they're responsible for everything you see and interact with on a website. They design the layout, ensuring that it's both visually appealing and intuitive. They write the code that makes the website function, using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They're the ones who make sure the website looks good on your phone, your tablet, and your computer, optimizing it for different devices. And you know those smooth, user-friendly navigation systems that guide you through a website? Yep, that's them too. They ensure that users can find what they're looking for with ease, creating an enjoyable and seamless online experience. Essentially, they're the architects of your online experience. You might be wondering, what tools does a front-end developer use to create these incredible web experiences? Well, let's dive in. A front-end developer's toolkit is full of languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web. HTML is like the skeleton, giving structure to the web page. CSS, on the other hand, is like the skin, shaping the look and feel of the site. And then we have JavaScript, the muscles that bring the page to life with interactivity. But those are just the basics. Front-end developers often use libraries and frameworks such as React or Angular to speed up development and make their code more efficient. They also need a solid understanding of responsive design principles to ensure their websites look great on any device. And let's not forget about version control systems like Git. These tools allow developers to work together without stepping on each other's toes. With these tools, a front-end developer breathes life into a static web page. Like any job, being a front-end developer comes with its share of challenges and rewards. One of the main challenges is keeping up with the ever-evolving technology trends. As the digital world constantly changes, so too must the knowledge and skills of a front-end developer. It's a bit like trying to hit a moving target while on a roller coaster, but fear not, this challenge is also part of the thrill. It's what keeps the job dynamic and exciting. Another challenge is creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. It's a balancing act between aesthetics and functionality. And when you get it right, it's pure magic. It's the satisfaction that comes from seeing your work come alive and being used by people around the world. Now let's talk rewards. Front-end developers can expect competitive salaries that reflect their crucial role in the digital world. Work schedules can vary, but flexibility is often a perk of the job. Despite the challenges, the rewarding nature of the job and the competitive pay make it a highly sought-after profession. So, are you considering a career as a front-end developer? The path forward in this profession is as dynamic and interactive as the websites you will help create. Starting as a front-end developer, you're at the heart of the web, translating ideas and designs into tangible user experiences. But this is just the beginning. As you grow and evolve in your career, you can transition into roles like senior front-end developer, UI/UX designer, or even a full-stack developer where you'll manage both the front and back end of a website. Each role offers a unique perspective and an opportunity to deepen your understanding of the digital world. But beyond the job titles and responsibilities, there's something incredibly satisfying about being a front-end developer. Every line of code you write, every bug you fix brings a vision to life. You're not just creating websites, but experiences that millions around the globe can enjoy. You're crafting stories, shaping brands, and making the web a more beautiful and accessible place. And let's not forget the perks that come with the job. From impressive salaries to flexible work schedules, and the opportunity to work with diverse teams across the globe. This profession is as rewarding as it is challenging. Remember, every great website started with a creative and skilled front-end developer. So, are you ready to start your journey and leave your mark on the World Wide Web?